Welcome again to Budget with Brian. And here is the finished version of my new build, and welcome to have a look. Come on in. As you can see straight away, we've got a open plan lounge and diner. And we've got our lights in there in the ceiling, all beautiful and so on. And then you come round to the kitchen, which is this Dove gloss finish, offset with the chrome sockets and so on. But love of my life are these. Just have a look at this. I think there's a magic corner of making use of that, and I tell you, no sooner had I fitted one of these than I had to do one at home, because my wife said, "That's what I wanted," so I've had to do it. So come on upstairs and have a look and see what you like. But before we go, what about the downstairs toilet? Has to be suitable for a disabled person to get into, and it is just. Small house like this, you can build underneath the stairs if you're clever. I'm clever. My photographer is going, come on upstairs. New regulations for the fuse board, but neatly set in the wall, I think. Yeah, come on upstairs. All my own work, built the staircase. And here we come into the master bedroom. And a brilliant thing is, look at these doors. They make a perfect fitted wardrobe. And those doors are from IKEA. They cost just £35 each. That is a bargain, I reckon. Go on through to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. This is a 2-bed house, so we're not into massive opulence, but that isn't bad, don't you think? And now, the second bedroom. This again has got the fitted wardrobes, but this is where we fitted the boiler here, and bags of space there, bags of space there, bags of space there, and this is basically making use of the staircase. It needed modification from the original plans, but you can do this too. You'll see more of this when we have a look at the one next door, which was the refurb. Thank you again for watching the Budget with Brian. Hope you enjoyed the little tour, and don't forget, subscriptions going up, you add yours.